So I want to play this a little bit safer. Probably get up. Yeah, another dragon breath. Okay, so we're gonna do that actually.
That's too bad.
Smart, smart play right there, my friend. Okay, because round 25 AI is really nothing to mess with. Okay, it is so utterly OP. It's crazy, man. But with 6 dragon breaths, we should be able to defend. And yeah, it looks like we're gonna be able to. It's still pushing though a little bit, just a tad bit. But we're gonna be fine. Okay, let's finally get up this monkey count. Okay, we've waited long enough at this point. All right, there's no way he has these eligibles. Okay, he just has to have a crappy fourth, hopefully. I mean, at this point, every fourth is good in the game. Like, I'm really wondering what that average speed was. Yeah, 4,000 ego. Okay, he's got to be relatively around the same amount as well. So yeah, slowly but surely, we're gonna fill the entire map with a ton of wizards, villages across the map as well, and then some blues. Send those all to, well, not all of them, but most of them to strong. So they target the strong, the OGs, the solid. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, boys. Okay, we do have a damage on him as well. Actually, did it lose? I don't think he did. Okay, so we both have 3 damage boosts. All right. So pretty much when he starts pushing me, I'm gonna rush him, unless he just straight up can't defend against the AI. All right. Because without the village, he's really going to struggle. Okay, he needs the village. Absolutely does. Okay, so maybe when we get like 6,000 eco, I'll start to focus a little bit more on our defenses. But for now, we should be fine. Okay, we did shred through the round 27 AI with the 3 collapse. So we looked pretty decent against that. He, of course, is really, really solid as well. The defense is super, super strong, so that does not surprise me whatsoever, right? But we are having a very, very long game for this first match, boys. Holy crap. And once again, I'm sorry that I forgot about the challenge, okay? Like, sometimes I just get too zoned into these games, man. It's crazy, right? But we defended that Moab with these. And by the way, we hit 6,000 eco, okay? So I'm going to get up these villages. Let's get one right there. Let's get another one right over here. There you go. Let's get another one. And yeah, I'm just going to periodically place these villages across the map, of course. And we should be pretty good. And the border down here. That wonderful. Kind of probably, yeah, we'll put like right in this area, okay? Yeah, there we go, right? So maybe with the 3-0 village that we have, we might have a little bit of an eco advantage in him, but honestly, it doesn't even matter anymore, okay, at this point. Like, we both have a substantial amount of eco, okay? None of us are dying anytime soon. So yeah, we just have to continue to buy. Good freaking vibes, boys, and yeah, he still has no villages, boys. So that tells me that Heli, Glue, Ninja is a strategy, okay? I like the switch up a little bit, but we should be good against this AI. I'm a little nervous, so I might just upgrade. I'm going to upgrade this really quickly, okay? That's going to increase the attack speed and whatnot on our towers, so we should be all good with that. What the heck?
I didn't lose it.
Holy! Okay, so we should probably stop equaling just for a second. It's round. Oh my gosh, it's round 32. It's round 32 AI, boys. What am I doing? I'm so dumb, okay? I literally almost blew that because I didn't realize it's round 32 AI, alright? So I'm gonna upgrade some of these phoenixes as well, just to play it safe. Now we should be good, okay? That really scared me right there, boys. I did not realize it was round 32 AI, alright? But now we should be good. That tornado wizard in the back did end up being clutch for us, okay? And I don't think he's equaling right now. Yeah, he's definitely just focusing on his defenses, getting up as many helis as he possibly can. And he also needs 4 ninjas on the map as well to have infinite Saddle stalling. We're going to need about like 10 glues. He only has 3 though, you know? I honestly don't know how many glues is enough and how many is too many, okay? The last time I did 10, it ended up working out for me, okay? So I think I'm just going to do the same exact thing this time around, boys, okay? So yeah, about to hit the 8,000 boys. And here starts to come the DFDs and whatnot. So I'm probably going to have to get some more defenses on the map as well.
I know. I mean, we had eggs.
Up here, so let's start to do that.
Wait.
At the beginning part of this map, we're also going to be setting
But she's still
strong, okay? So let's get those. Make the BFDs and whatnot.
Yeah.
Slower, which of course is always nice. Okay,
we have like
I'm
meat
so
eggs
happy
all
the
the
blue
time.
is viable now, man. It really warms my heart, boys. It really, really does. Okay, so right now we have 3, so we should be good with just all of those for now. Although those like
and she got chicken nuggets outside.
We do have a tornado still in the back of the map, so I think we should be fine. Yeah.
I thought all our choices were eggs.
Well done. And then we're gonna have to try to hit 10,000 eco, okay? we're nearly there, boys. 1,500 eco away, actually, alright? So after that, we should be good. Dude, look at the blues in the front, though. They are just freaking shredding through whatever those balloons are. Region Rainbows, I think. Holy. And you can't even see a single balloon on his side, okay? So it looks like his defenses are a lot better. But trust me, y'all, alright? We're going to be a lot better than him. I think he has a pursuit on as well. Alright, if you guys don't know about pursuit on the heli, it's not as effective as follow touch, okay? For some odd reason, when you have it on pursuit, it just does not do as much damage, okay, to the balloon. So you definitely have to have it on follow touch. You could possibly have it on follow touch. It looks like the one is on pursuit. Yeah, okay, wait, they are on follow touch. Never mind, okay, so he's starting up the saddles as well in the corner of the map. Okay, I can definitely see that already. So he does have a little bit of extra stalling on us, boys. So that is a little bit concerning to me. But still, okay, our freaking strategy is stronger than his. I know that for a fact, okay?
Give me my.
Just even trying to defend we do have the damage because I kind of just don't want to throw this game though. But also at the same time, I want to sig ending, okay? So we have to defend against that. That would actually be amazing. Oh no! Oh my gosh! For some reason, the red gave me 2 right there instead of 1. Okay, so now we're at 10,001. Oh my gosh, boys. Okay, that's fine. You know, I just wanted the perfect 10,000, but it's not too big of a deal, okay? So now we can sell this village, and then we can get up a 2-3 instead, or actually a 2-4. I mean, at this point, we have $200,000. Okay, like we can get up to 2-4s now, right? We're gonna have to use a couple of Phoenix abilities actually right here. Also a card of arms, because these enemies are kind of pushing, boys. Holy! So yeah, we just need to start getting more defenses. Okay, he has been focusing on that for the last couple of rounds. Okay, let's also get on the guided access. Okay, we definitely just need that right now. Because I keep on touching that bottom bar, and then it shakes my screen, which is super, super annoying. Okay, it's probably annoying for some of you as well, so I do apologize. But yeah, now we're vibing, boys. Okay, we are getting up a ton of freaking woods on the map. Okay, I kind of want like 100. Oh, what? Oh no! That sucks, boys. That really, really sucks. I did not mean to do that. I swear, boys. For some reason, there's like a glitch or something, man. I don't hit the damage boost. Like, I straight up just don't hit it, and then it goes off. I don't understand that at all. Alright? We're fine. Okay, we're fine. We're chilling. It's just like, that might just cost us the game right there. I hope it doesn't. I hope I'm wrong. But holy, I'm just trying to get up as many possible wizards as I can, boys. Oh, God. Okay. Can I reset that? Oh, my phone screen's not working. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. It's just that the spike factor's on the screen. That's my fault. Oh, my. That really sucked, okay? Let's start upgrading a few more of these wizards to the Phoenix abilities, though, because that's a lot of BFBs, boys, okay? I'm not too prepared. So we're probably going to have to use a couple of these abilities, because they're kind of pushing right freaking now. So, yeah, I'll just use, like, what, like 10? Yeah, we'll use, like, 10, use a call to arms as well. I don't know if I use it or not, so, yeah, that's going to absolutely shred through all of those, and we're going to end up defending against that, okay? I might want some, like, you know, tornado wizards in the back. Okay, so we're gonna get like 2. Okay, yeah, just 2. All right, we don't want too many. And we're gonna set this as strong. Okay, there we go. I don't know, it might save our lives. I really don't know, boys. But there we go with that. Let's continue on with these phoenixes. Okay, we have so many right now. Okay, and we still have so much room to fill up, boys. Holy. Maybe we should just have the 0-0s. You know, I'm trying to get the placements as precisely as I possibly can. I don't know if that's going to exactly happen, though. Let's use more Phoenix abilities right here. Let's use a call to arms as well. It looks really bad for us. It really, really does. But we're chilling, okay? And around 43, ZOMG is about to come out, okay? So we're going to see how he defends against that. I'm excited to see that. We could also probably upgrade these villages across the map as well, just to have them up. The call to arms and whatnot, okay? So let's get those. There we freaking go, boys. Holy. Now we're looking solid, okay? And here's the round 43 ZOG, boys. The moment we have been waiting for. I know we're going to be fine against it, okay? I'm just trying to get more wizards as we speak. He is shredding through, okay? So we're going to have to pop this here soon as well, because the next round is going to start since he's popping it so quickly. So yeah, let's get that. Oh, did I still have this balloon map? I do. Okay, let's sell that, actually. Did I sell it? Yeah, I did. Okay, so let's get that. There we go, boys. Let's use a call to arms and Phoenix abilities. Okay, so we can actually pop this. And just everything in general, right? This is going to create a lot of lag. But we're vibing, boys, okay? We're freaking vibing. He damage boost? Oh, that's got to be on accident, right? There's no way. He was fine. Oh, my gosh. Okay, it's really pushing on our side, boys. Holy. Is it even even glued? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, we gotta use more. Oh, he's allowing me. Oh no. Should we try to defend? I say we try to. I say we try to, boys. Even though I'm like nearly dead to this EOMG. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a hefty all out, boys. Okay. Okay, I say we boost right now. Use all of our Phoenix abilities right here that we have left. Oh my goodness. This is the moment of truth, boys. Will the Wizards come up clutch for me? I don't know. That's a lot of ZOMGs, and I still have so much room to fill. Oh no, I'm sitting down the wrong towers. Oh no, what am I doing? I'm gonna use more. Use another. We can actually use the call to arms right here. Oh my goodness! This is so crazy! Holy! Just get more wizards on the map, boys! We need to use call to arms again. Use them. Oh my goodness, this is intense. Okay, our damage boost is coming back, and all of our Phoenix abilities, okay, but it looks like we're shredding through this. Are we? I can't tell, there's so much commotion going on. Oh my goodness, I think we defended against it, boys. I think we're good. Okay, I kind of want to save my damage boost. Yeah, we're good. We shredded through that. How many ZOGs was that? Holy crap, boys. He now knows not to mess with this strategy, okay? The best late game strategy in the game currently is still undefeated, okay? Holy crap, especially in free power ups, man. When you have the damage boost and boost combo, it is nearly unstoppable, okay? And honestly, I won't even lie to you. We looked really bad against the round 43 ZOMG. It's just that I did not have enough Phoenix abilities, okay, at the time. We also probably could have had more glues on the map and whatnot as well. So we're just straight lining right now, okay? Let's use a couple of Phoenix abilities, though, to pop this one ZOMG, okay? Because it is kind of pushing a little bit. Just want to clean up our screen and whatnot, okay? And we should be good. Oh my gosh. I kind of pushed for a second, alright? But we're good. We're fine, alright? So let's get on more glues, actually, just to be safe, okay? He still could haul at us. So I'm just a little bit nervous about that. I think those are the AI ZOMGs, okay? So I think we're chilling at that. I can definitely send more glues in there, okay? So that's what I'm trying to do. Set these bad boys as strong as well. I just, like, I can't see still, man. Holy. Alright, but there we go. We got way more glues now on the map, okay? Oh my gosh, boys. We absolutely just shredded through that. Like, that's so crazy to me, boys. Holy crap. And this game has been so long. It's round freaking 49, man. Oh my gosh, this video is going to be super, super long, okay? So hopefully my phone doesn't die as well. I know it's got to be low, boys. I know it's got to be low, okay? But we got 54 Phoenix abilities. Okay, I swear, we got more wizards than that, right? But like, dude, when we don't use the Phoenix abilities, the ZOMGs really do push, okay? So this is definitely our secret weapon, okay? We're going to be using these abilities and also our call to arms, because they're really pushing action in our side, okay? So I'm just going to create a bunch of lag. Screw it at this point, boys. I just need to pop those mobs. And look at all the lag. Hopefully that doesn't actually crash my phone or anything, okay? But that is a lot of Phoenix abilities. Holy crap, boys. Let's go. Holy. Dude, this strategy is so overpowered. It's insane, man, okay? Like, he should have had the village instead, okay? He should have switched it out with that ninja, actually. And, like, the crazy thing is, we still have more spots right now to fill. Like, isn't that so crazy, boys? Like, we don't even have the entire backfield. I mean, almost, but we still could have even more wizards. Oh, I think he's re-alling us. Yes, he's sending us more ZOGs. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Okay, so we gotta defend against this, of course. I'm trying to get up as many Phoenixes as I possibly can right now. Because we just used all of those, actually, okay? So that kind of sucks. That's not too many ZOGs, though, okay? We should be chilling. Alright? They're gonna push, though. So once these Phoenix abilities start coming back, I'm gonna use a damage boost just to make sure that we can actually defend. Or maybe we can defend without one. You know, the Phoenix abilities are coming back. Yeah, let's use the call to arms. Then our Phoenix abilities, boys. And let's see if we can indeed shred through all of this, okay? There is so much lag going on right now. Holy moly. Alright, I'm gonna use all three of these as well. There we go. And that's all of our Phoenix abilities, okay? I think we should boost. Yeah, we're gonna damage boost this, okay? Just to ensure that we can actually defend, alright? Because this is actually kind of crazy. He sent those, right? Like, there's no way he did. Oh my gosh! What even? What's going on? Like, we can't even see. So crazy. Let's use a boost on, because why not? Because why not, man? Because why not, alright? But we still have even more spots to fill, boys, okay? So So I guess, you know, the more the merrier at this point. So let's just build this top left-hand corner up. I think we just shredded through literally all the ZOG things sent us, and yeah, there's like nothing on
Wait,
the
is the
map now,
orange one
boys.
hit?
Oh my god.
No.
This is so crazy. Okay, so I think at this point we just cap. I mean, I can't even send that many though. That's the only bad thing, okay? And I think he still has one more damage boost. So yeah. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Okay. I really did not want to damage boost against that, but yeah, I don't even think he's gonna be able to defend against round 54 AI, alright? That looks pretty OP to me, boys. Alright, but as long as you can defend against this, then we're vibing, we're chilling, okay? Just pushing on their side a little bit. Like, he has like no money at this point. Yeah, he just dead to the AI, straight freaking up, boys. But yeah, these freaking labs are pushing on our side, boys. Okay, I'm trying to upgrade this wizard down here. There we finally go. Okay, we're gonna be able to defend against this though, of course. Let's use these couple of Phoenix abilities that we have actually. Let's just use the call to arms, and it's gonna absolutely just shred through all that. Oh my gosh, man. The call to arms abilities, man. They're so OP. It's ridiculous, man. Oh no, I got an incoming call coming? No. We're fine. We're chilling. We're vibing, okay? I think I already popped the ZOG. Dude, I swear the ZOG just like disappeared. I swear, we're still on our screen. But yeah, here come even more ZOGs, boys. I think this is like literally like the latest game I've ever done on my channel. Oh my gosh. This feels like it's been so long. Like, and my phone is on the brink of dying right now, man. It is so close to dying, okay? I think we nearly though have now the entire map filled, okay? Like there are a few spots here and there though, like right here. Did I even get it? Or did I sit in the trash can? I don't even know. I can't tell. Oh wait, I did get it. Okay, there we go. Holy crap, boys. Absolutely freaking insane, man. Okay, absolutely insane. But we're gonna be able to defend against all of that, okay?
Alrighty, so okay, here we are in Bonanza mode, and we're gonna try and use some Spike Factory today, alright? Spike Factory needs more love, you don't see it that often, so we already gave love to the glue gunner a little bit. We're gonna try and use the Spike Factory. This guy is a late game guy over here. They have late game in the name, late G over here. So this guy's gonna be pretty solid late game here. So he'll probably have Super Monkey stuff. So what are we gonna do? Let's just do this, and farms, alright? We'll see what 4th tower we get. And we're just going to try and focus on the Spike Factory today. Now, let's get Mines. Mines was a nice long map. It's sad that Mines was skipped there. But we can try it out here. Let's try the... what do we want to do? Let's do Spike Factory. Do we want to do farms? You can't fit a lot of farms in that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. And then we're going to try... We try sub. We try boat. Let's try sub. Sub on phone. We'll need a lot of money for sub. That's the catch. So, do we want to do sub or boat here? Actually, sub has good cam protection, blue pod. I don't know what to do. Let's try sub. See what tower we get. Tack shooter. Okay. So, we're going to try and focus on Spike Factory. We do have sub, which is pretty darn solid on all these other towers and stuff. And ice towers can help out a lot against the balloons and stuff. And we can decam-wise with the sub. And so we'll be fine against all balloons. We have fantastic balloon popping power. But the one thing we don't really have is Moab popping power, alright? And so we have the first strike ability, which is fine. You know, that's good and all. But the Spike Factory here is going to come in clutch with the Spike Factory, this one balloon's going to leak. Oh, okay, we're good. Alright, so this guy is Monkey Glue here. I only brought tier 0 powers. I probably should have gotten some better powers here, but that's alright. I think we'll be okay with the Spike Factory. So we're going to see if we can beat up this guy with Spike Factory here, because this guy's probably going to have Super Monkey, and Super Monkey is much more effective late game, alright? So they have their Wizard down. Wizard's a fantastic starting tower. Wizard's a great tower just to start out in the game overall. And so they'll probably have Wizard farm Super Monkey. That's what I expect from this guy here. So we'll see if they pull out the Super Monkey or not. And if they do, it's going to be a little sketch, because Spike Factory is not as good as Super Monkey here. But Spike Factory, it's still pretty darn solid. With a Spike Storm, Spike Storm's not bad. You know, it sprays everywhere Spike Storm with spikes. And with Moab Shredder spikes, you can get some nice damage on a ZOMG and stuff. And with First Strike, we should be A-okay. I guess we could use First Strike a bit. First Strike just seems kind of lame. We're trying to focus on the Spike Factory here. So we're just going to use it for camo protection just so we can help out the Ice Tower here. But we got to go focus on the Spike Factory. Spike Factory needs way more love. You know, Spike Factory, Blue Gunner, Cannon, Sniper, Chipper, those towers just simply need more love right now. You don't see them that often. And they're not necessarily that bad, as I keep saying. They just need Other towers are just better. So there's the super monkey right there. And this guy has cool skins. Look at that. They have the wizard skin and the super monkey skin. Look at that. You don't see that much. So the super monkey is really going to help them out here quite a bit. You get up a temple and stuff. So we'll see if they get up enough money to get up a temple. Because the thing is, temples are very expensive, and you can only fit 4 farms on this map. And this guy's only using 2 farms here. They only have 2 plantations, which is not a lot here. You know, if once we get up a little bit more eco, we will eventually have, I think we'll have more eco than this guy. Now, this guy still has 500 eco on top of his farm, so I think they're doing a little bit better eco-wise, but we're slowly catching up. And our 2-1 spike factory is pulling off very well. We probably want to get up a little bit more defense here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of ice tower. I know we want to focus on the spike factory, but just to take it late game, just so we can show off late game spike factory, we have to at least make it late game. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and then, or we go for the, yeah, we'll do this, and then we'll go for a nuclear reactor, alright? That's what we're going to do, and that's all we're going to do, alright? Eventually, late game, if we do have extra cash, we will go for some first strike abilities, but we want to focus on the Spike Storm. Spike Storm, I don't think we're going to be able to, like, I think we're going to focus mostly on them, because we're not going to have any excess money, alright? If we have excess money, of course, we're going to have more subs, but that's after we fill the screen with Spike Storms. The Spike Storms are not cheap, you know? You're spending $10,000 on each of them. 10,000 eco is very hard when you don't have farms and stuff. Like, right now, we're still struggle-lugging a little bit, as Super John Bomba would say. So we're going to go for a quick nuclear reactor here, and we should be A-okay then, alright? That, our defense will be fine and dandy. There we go. So now we're all set. We'll be good, we'll be great, and once we get to 3,000 eco, that's when we can just full send pinks. We don't have to go up here. So when you're ecoing right now before 3,000, send some pinks if you're going to try full eco, and see what I'm doing here? When I have excess money, I'm going up and snagging a little bit of extra eco from a balloon up there. So we'll see how much excess money we have here. We have 50 excess money. I'm going to go quickly snag a blue and pop right back down here for some more pink action. And that's slowly just going to help out and get us a faster eco. Now, is it really going to matter? Probably not. But this guy, look at them. They're not ecoing here. They're going for their 3rd farm here. But we have a much higher eco than this guy. So as much as this guy is super monkey, they're not going to be able to get up a temple if they don't have enough money. Now, a bank is a good choice here. Banks, they give bank. I mean, that's what banks do, alright? They improve your eco, and they also give you money. They give you a lot of money exponentially and stuff. They can give you up to 20,000 if this guy can get up the BIA. They just have a regular bank right now, which isn't bad necessarily, but they would do a lot better if they just spend a little bit of extra money to get up that bank. And what's nice about the farm here, the village here that they have, is they can make everything cheaper. So instead of spending $100,000 to get up a temple, they can spend only $90,000. And they're getting can protection for the super monkey. It's not really necessary when you have the wizards here, but you know, if you want to do that, that's good. Not a bad 4th tower at all, right? This guy's going to do pretty fun, you know, pretty good job and stuff. You know, if we had village right now, we could actually get some extra eco here. That'd be nice, because, you know, when you're ecoing, that little extra eco boost, it goes a long way. You get quite the eco with the extra village buff, but yeah, we don't have that. So we have to think about what we're going to do here. We're really just spamming spike factors. How high of an eco do we want to get? I think we want to go to, perhaps, so how much is each spike storm? Let's look at this. So it's about, if we want to get the whole thing, we probably want about 12, let's just say get 12,000 eco, right? It's going to be a while of us just chilling, just sitting here, watching them upgrade. They're getting their lasers up. Super monkey, not bad, and they're getting banks. That's awesome, right? This is really going to improve their eco, because eco dominates late game, you know? Farms only give you a certain amount of money per round, and as the rounds get longer, eco comes to top, because eco is about time, alright? So the rounds are very fast, farms are much better, but that's only the beginning of the game. That's why eco does much better late game, and eco is also better late game, because then you have an extra tower slot, you know? Instead of having 3 towers like them, we have 4 towers to use, because farm does not deal damage, you know? And farm's not going to be effective late game, but they're using it now, and banks, they're getting nice eco for them, and then banks will just also give nice amounts of money every so and so. So that's fantastic for them. We'll see if they get a tempo now. Right now they're spamming these monkeys. It's cool to see the lasers. Normally when people have skins, they go straight for the temple. But look at this. I've never seen these skins before. Look at this. The plasma stuff. That looks so cool. The super monkeys look so cool. It's just sad they're not that effective late game. Early game, so you don't see them. You only really see Bonanza mode.
Ây da, chị của Thiên Ngân sẽ đến đây chắc là đến nồng á.